So dear students, welcome to today's class. Tomorrow you are going to attend the examination of JEE Mains. So first of all the best for your examination. Today's in our class, I am going to revise a few problems, very important models from mathematics. Okay, so let us see these models and how to solve these equations. All these problems which I am going to solve are they were asked in previous examinations and also very important model. Okay, so let us start our today's class. So dear students, welcome to the first problem. So the value of limit extends to 0 sin of pi cos square x upon x square is, this is previously asked problem. So if you directly substitute x is equal to 0, so if here cos square 0 is equal to 1, sin pi 0, you are getting 0 by 0. Okay now. So then how to solve this type of problems? So here you see here, so limit extends to 0 sin pi of cos square x, you write down 1 minus sin square x by x square. So limit extends to 0 sin pi minus pi sin square x upon x square. So this is a limit extends to 0 sin 180 minus theta sin theta, this is sin pi sin square x by x square. Okay now. So we have a formula, limit extends to 0 sin x by x value is equal to how much? 1. So this is sin x by, so I write down like that. So limit extends to 0 sin pi sin square x by, I will write it as a pi sin square x into limit extends to 0 pi sin square x by, already it is x square. So here what I did, so I multiplied and divided with pi times sin square x. So if you observe, this value is 1 and up to here this value is also 1. So ultimately you got the answer pi. Therefore option D is the right answer. Okay, so that's all this solution. Dear students, welcome to the second problem. The second problem is the value of limit extends to 0 1 minus cos 2x multiplied by 3 plus cos x upon x tan of 4x. So it's a very easy problem. So shall we start this solution? So limit extends to 0. So don't try to find a substitute directly in place of cos 0. Why? Because definitely you will get some 0 by 0 forms you will get. Don't waste your valuable time. So therefore 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. This is 3 plus cos x by, this is equal to x times tan 4x. So here directly I used the formula 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. So if you substitute x tends to 0, here 3 plus cos 0 is 1. So 3 plus 1 4, up to that 4, no problem. So here I use these formulas I use. What are the formulas? Means limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, of course sin square x by x square is also 1. At the same time limit extends to 0 tan x by x value is also 1. So if you observe these formulas, it can be very easy to find out. So this is a 3 plus cos 0. 3 plus cos 0 means 1, 3 plus 1 4, up to 4 you take it as 4 2s are 8. This 3 plus 1 4, 4 2s are 8. Take 8 outside. So this is a limit extends to 0. This is sin square x by x tan 4x. Okay now, x tan 4x. So here multiply and divide with 4x. Multiply and divide with 4x. Okay, see here, if you observe here, this is x into x, x square. Up to here, the answer is 1. So this is also tan 4x by 4x. This value is also 1. Ultimately what remains? 4 remains. This is equal to 8 by 4, 2. 2 is your right answer. Okay now. So such a easy problem here we have. So this is x into x, x square. Sin square x by x square value is 1. Tan 4x by 4x. tan 4x upon 4x value is 1. So the constant 4 remains, that is 8 by 4, 2. So if you observe in the total problem, this value you can do directly, 3 plus cos x. That value is directly, it does not affect the main problem. Okay now. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So dear student, welcome to the third problem. The third problem is this: if p is equal to limit extends to 0 plus 1 plus tan square root x whole power 1 by 2x, then the value of log p is equal to, okay, right. So if you substitute directly limit extends to 0 plus, if you substitute, what happens? Tan square root of 0, root 0 means 0, tan 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, to the power of 1 by 2 times 0, 1 by 0 means infinity, this is 1 to the power of infinity model, okay. So then what we will take, this value can be written as e to the power of limit extends to 0 plus, this power is there, no, it will become the coefficient 1 by 2x, whatever may be the power, that will become the total expression will raise it to e. Total expression will raise it to e. This power, whatever may be the power, it becomes the coefficient. This is a 1 plus tan square root x minus 1, you have to subtract. You have to subtract 1. Okay now. So this is a plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. P is equal to limit extends to 0 plus, here 1 by 2 is there, to take it outside. So this is equal to tan square root x by x is there. Okay now. So this is equal to, P is equal to e to the power of 1 by 2 times limit extends to 0 plus, this you write down tan square root x by root x whole square, you can write down, no problem. So root x whole square. Okay now. So this total value, whatever may be here, this total value is equal to how much? 1. Up to here 1. So y limit extends to 0, tan x upon x value is equal to how much? 1. So up to here it is a 1 and 1 square 1. So p is equal to e power 1 by 2 we got. Okay now. So he is asking to find out log p. So apply logarithms on both sides. So this is equal to log p is equal to log e power 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 log e, this is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 e is the correct answer. Okay now. So very easy problem. So this comes under the 1 to the power of infinity model. 1 to the power of infinity model. Okay now. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next model. So dear students, welcome to the fourth problem. So the fourth problem is the value of limit extends to pi by 4 integral 2 to the power of secant square x f of t dt upon x square minus pi square by 16 is equal to. Okay now. So if you substitute extends to pi by 4, that means in place of x, if you substitute pi by 4, what happens here? Secant square pi by 4. Secant pi by 4 value is root 2, root 2 whole square is 2. So integral of 2 to 2, that means it becomes 0 by, so if you substitute extends to pi by 4, in place of x substitute pi by 4 substitute means what? Pi square by 16. So this you will get 0, 0 by 0, you will get 0 by 0. So it is a indeterminate form. So you can apply L'Hospital rule. Okay now. So here if you observe in the numerator, you have a integral sign. So here you have to use the Leibniz formula. Okay now. So this is given by limit extends to pi by 4. This is f of secant square x. F of secant square x. Again, you have to write the derivative of c. So whatever may be that here secant square x, you substitute here first f of secant square x and write the derivative of secant square x. What is the secant square x derivative? First it is in the form of x square. X square means 2 secant x. Again secant x derivative, secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x by x square derivative 2x. So minus pi square by 16 derivative, since it is a constant, its derivative is 0. So this is implies, so wherever x is there, substitute pi by 4. So this is a f of secant pi by 4. Pi by 4 means how much? Root 2. Root 2 whole square 2. So this is equal to 2 get cancelled. Secant pi by 4 is root 2. Root 2 into root 2 2 into tan pi by 4 value 1 by x value pi by 4. X value pi by 4. So it becomes 8 by pi f of 2. 8 by 5 f of 2. So these problems comes under indeterminate form 0 by 0, and moreover, and you have to apply the Leibniz formula. Okay, here, right. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to the fifth problem. The fifth problem is, for x belongs to open bracket 0 to 0 comma 1 by 4, if the derivative of tan inverse of 6x root x upon 1 minus 9x cube is root x g of x. That means its derivative is given, that is root x times g of x. Then the value of g of x is here. Okay. So let us take consider that expression as a y. So this is a, let y is equal to tan inverse of 6x root x by 1 minus 9x cube. Okay now. So whenever you got this type of expression, so immediately don't try to find out dy by dx is equal to tan inverse of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. No, don't try it. So immediately you should know one formula. That formula is tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Let us convert this expression 6x times root x by 1 minus 9x cube in this form. So let us try to do this problem. So this is equal to y is equal to tan inverse of, so can I write it as a 2 into 3 times 6, can I write down to y because I want 2 here. 2 3s are 6. Here x root x means x power 3 by 2. So this is your x. 2x by 1 minus x square means 3x power 3 by 2 whole square. Can it write? So is this both expressions are same? See here 2 3s are 6. X root x means x power 3 by 2. So coming to here denominator 1 minus 3 square means 9. X power 3 by 2 whole square means 2 will get cancelled, x cube. Okay now. This can be written as 2 times tan inverse of x. So that is equal to 2 times tan inverse of x. X means how much? 3 times x power 3 by 2. So that means what we did, so whatever may be the given expression, I have converted into another form. So finding the derivative of this expression is very easier comparatively the given expression. For that I made use of this formula. Okay now find the derivative. So find the, now it means differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So this is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2 into, what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? That is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. That means 3x whole power 3 by 2 whole square, and the problem is not completed. Again you have to find out the derivative of this. This is equal to 3 times x power 3 by 2 means 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2, that means n into x to the power of n minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1 means what? How much? This is 1 by 2. We can write down directly. So here if you observe here, so 2 will gets cancelled. So this is equal to how much? X power 1 by 2 means what? Root x. So this is equal to dy by dx is equal to root x times, this is 3 3s are 9 by 1 plus 3 square is 9x cube. So 3 here, 2 will get cancelled, x cube will come, 3 square is 9. So in the problem it is given how much? It is given how much? This is root x into g of x. Root x times g of x. So if you observe, what is the value of your g of x? 9 by 1 plus 9x cube. That is equal to option A is your right answer. So very easy problem. This was asked in previous JEE mains papers. The only thing is, so remember this formula, so it will become very easy one. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to the problem number 6. Consider f of x is equal to tan inverse of under square root 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x, where x belongs to open bracket 0 to pi by 2. A normal to y is equal to f of x at x is equal to pi by 6 also passes through the point. So there are 4 points are given. On the whole, we have to find out the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. If you find out the equation of the normal, almost the problem is over. So to find the equation of the normal, we know that point slope form y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Here where m is the slope of the tangent. Okay, now so let us try to solve this problem. So the first thing is here it is given y is equal to f of x is equal to tan inverse of under square root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. So here you have to find out the dy by dx. So the dy by dx is nothing but the slope of the tangent. So if you want to find out the derivative of this function, so first you try to simplify this function. So if you do directly dy by dx, the problem will become very difficult. So try to simplify this expression. So this can be written as, so y is equal to f of x is equal to tan inverse of under square root of this, can I write it as a sin x is equal to sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. So like that sin x means 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So in place of 1, can I write down sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2? Right. In place of 1, can I write down sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Yes, easily can write. So this therefore y is equal to f of x is equal to tan inverse of under square root of, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, in the denominator a square plus b square minus 2ab. So on the whole, this is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square by, in the denominator sin, we can write it as a cos x by, we can reverse also we can write down cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, now so in the numerator also, so why I am separating is now I will explain. So if you observe in the under root bracket, whatever may be the quantity, what it is, why? Because we have root x square is equal to mod x. Root of x square is equal to mod x. So that mod x, if x value is greater than 0, mod x will become x. If x value is less than 0, mod x will become minus x. So if you observe, so here you issue here. So that means 0 less than x less than pi by 2. That means your x value lies between 0 to pi by 2. So if you observe, your x 0 less than x by 2 less than pi by 2. So your x by 2 value lies between 0 to pi by 4. If you observe the graphs of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 graphs between 0 to pi by 4. So if you draw the graphs, see here. So this is a pi by 2, this is 1, this is 0. So sin 0 is 0, pi by 2 is this. So this is sin x graph. So if you observe, this is cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 1. This is pi by 4. This is pi by 4. From 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4, from 0 to pi by 4, if you observe here, cos x by 2 is greater than. So this is a cos x graph, this is sin x graph. Cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2. So cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2. Understand this. So cos x by 2 is greater than. So this is cos x by 2 graph. This is a sin x by 2 graph. Okay, it is greater than. So therefore cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 is a greater than 0. So on the whole you will get y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So total this is a positive quantity. Okay now. So let us continue our solution. So dear students, so let us continue our problem. So this is equal to y is equal to tan inverse of. So divide the both numerator and denominator with cos x by 2. So cos x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is 1 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. So here also I am dividing each term with cos x by 2. So I am dividing each term with cos x by 2. So this is equal to tan inverse of, you can write it directly in place of 1. In place of 1. So can I write down in place of 1? Can I write down tan pi by 4? So here also I can write down tan pi by 4. Nothing wrong in it. Why? Because tan pi by 4 value is 1. So this formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So this is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is equal to y is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So what we got? So whatever may be the given function, f of x is equal to tan inverse of under square root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. I changed into y is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay. So this is the major part of the problem. So reducing the given equation into a simplest form. So now you find out the derivative of this function. So what is the derivative of dy by dx? So dy by dx is equal to, so pi by 4 derivative is 0, x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So this is what? Slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent. So what is slope of normal? Slope of normal is equal to how much? Minus 2. The product of the two slopes is equal to minus 1. So minus 2. So we got the slope. We want the point. So here x is equal to pi by 6. We got x coordinate. We got. What about y coordinate? So y is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. X by 2. Already x value is pi by 6. This is equal to pi by 12. Understand? So if you observe that y is equal to LCM is 12, here 3 pi plus 5, 4 pi. So this is equal to y is equal to pi by 3. So on the whole, what is our point? Pi by 6 comma pi by 3. So there is a point, and yes, you know the point and you know the slope. So you know the point from which the normal passes through and the slope of the normal. So dear students, so we got the point pi by 6 comma pi by 3 where the normal passes through the point and its slope is also we got minus 2. So what is the equation of the normal? Equation of the normal. So what is the equation of the normal formula? So y minus y1 means pi by 3. So this is x1 y1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is equal to how much? Pi by 6. So if you observe what are the point that it satisfies the given options. So it also passes through the point he is saying. Okay now. So check the point in which it will passes through. Let us take first option 1, it won't go. Option 2, x value is 0 to y value is 2 pi by 3. So if you take the option B, y value is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3, it is pi by 3. So see the option B, I will try to do the option B. Option B is in place of x substitute 0, in place of y substitute 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3 minus 2 times x plus 0 you substitute pi by 6. So this is 2 pi upon 3 minus pi upon 3, that is pi upon 3. So this is minus minus also cancel, 2 ones are 2 3. So it's both left hand side and right hand side you got the same values, therefore option B is the right answer. So remaining if you check A and C and D, they failed the answer. Okay, so it's a very easy problem. So the only thing is simplifying this equation. Simplifying this equation into a smaller one, that is equal to this form, pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to the 7th problem. The value of integral of 1 upon x square times x power 4 plus 1 whole power 4 dx is. See the options there. So let us do the option verification also you can do, but directly also it is a very easy one. It is integral of 1 by x square. From this x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4, I will take x power 4 common outside. If I take x power 4 common outside, 4 will get cancelled. This is a x cube into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 dx. Okay, so this is becomes integral of 1 by, this is x power 5 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 dx. Okay, so why I have taken x power 4 common outside? Now just you will came to know this. So let us take, let substitution type, x power 4 is equal to some t. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, one derivative is 0, 1 by x power 4 derivative is equal to how much? X power minus 4, that is equal to minus 4 by x power 5 dx is equal to dt. Okay, so observe here dx by x power 5. So here also dx upon x power 5 is there. So this is equal to dx by x power 5 is equal to minus 1 upon 4 dt, minus 1 upon 4 dt. Now substitute these values in the given equations. Now it will becomes, this is equal to dx upon x power 5 is become minus 1 by 4. You can write it as a constant minus 1 by 4 outside, and it becomes so here it is 1 by this whole thing we have taken as a t power 3 by 4 dt. So this is minus 1 by 4 integral of minus 3 by 4 dt. So this is minus 1 by 4 t power minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1. Understand? So if you observe, minus 3 by 4 plus 1 becomes 1 by 4. 1 by 4 will get cancelled. So on the whole, this will become minus. What is t value? What is t value? So this is a 1 plus 1 by x power 4. Minus 3 by 4 plus 1 is 1 by 4. Okay. So if you observe the answer, this in another form also we can write down minus x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Minus x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. So the option D is the right answer. So very easy. The only thing is what the idea you have to get is so taking x power 4 common outside. If you take x power 4 common outside, the total problem, the solution will follow as it is. So, this you can call it as a t. So, automatically the solution is there. It was asked in 2015 JEE mains examination. So, very easy solution. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So, dear students, welcome to 8th problem. So, if 2 plus sin x times dy by dx is equal to y plus 1 cos x is equal to 0 and y of 0 is equal to 1, then the value of y of pi by 2 is equal to, right. So, clearly this problem comes under differential equation. So, first to take this problem, this you do, dy by dx. So, general form is dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. This is a linear differential equation. Okay, now. So, first this is we will get integral factorial is equal to e power integral of p of x dx. What is the general solution we got? Y into integral factor is equal to integral of integral factor into q of x dx plus c. Okay, now to find the c value, we got the condition y of 0 is equal to 1. So, that is the basic idea we have to get. So, here first of all we should have only dy by dx, but here dy by dx coefficient is what? 2 plus sin x. So, divide with 2 plus sin x, we can divide with 2 plus sin x. Why? Because 2 plus sin x is not equal to 0, no problem. Why? Because sin x is maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1, and if it is x is equal to 0, sin 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2. So, therefore, on the anyhow 2 plus sin x is never equal to 0. Therefore, we can divide. So, dy by dx plus cos x by 2 plus sin x into y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now. So, if you observe dy by dx, we got p of x into y, take to q of x. So, if you multiply these two, that means if you multiply like this, take to right hand side, you will get dy by dx plus cos x by 2 plus sin x times y is equal to minus cos x by 2 plus sin x. Okay, now. So, this is a clearly this is a p of x value and it is q of x value. Okay, now, right. So, let us start our problem. So, first we will find out integral factor. Integral factor is equal to e power p of x. P of x is equal to how much? Cos x upon 2 plus sin x dx. This is e power. If you observe here, numerator upon denominator, the derivative of the denominator is what? 2 plus sin x derivative is what? 2 derivative is 0, sin x derivative is cos x. So, we have a formula. Once again, the formula is integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to logarithm of modulus of f of x plus c. So, that is the logarithm of the denominator. So, this is a e power logarithm of 2 plus sin x. Okay, now. So, here no need to write down any c value. So, we have any again formula, this is nothing but 2 plus sin x. So, this is the integral factor. Okay, now. Now, coming to the main solution, that is equal to general solution y into. So, what is the integral factor? 2 plus sin x is equal to integral of what is the integral factor? 2 plus sin x times what is the q of x? Q of x value is, this is the whole q of x, that is minus cos x by 2 plus sin x dx. 2 plus sin x dx. So, 2 plus sin x, 2 plus sin x gets cancelled. So, this is equal to integral of minus cos x dx. What is the integral of cos x? Sin x. This is equal to minus sin x plus c. Okay, now. So, we have to find out the value of c using the condition y of 0 is equal to 1. So, let us continue our solution. So, welcome to the remaining solution. So, here we have to find out the constant of integration. For that, what is the given? Y of 0 is equal to 1. So, always remember, if y of 0 is equal to 1, so this value is x, this value is y. X is 0, y is equal to 1. Substitute here, x is 0, y is equal to 1. So, 1 times 2 plus sin 0 is equal to minus sin 0 plus c. So, here sin 0 value is 0, 2 plus 0, 2, this is equal to 2. So, on the whole c is equal to 2. That is the constant of integration. So, what is your problem? Y is equal to 2 plus sin x is equal to minus sin x plus 2. On the whole, what is your y value? 2 minus sin x by 2 plus sin x. Understand? So, he is asking final answer y of pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? What is this value I told? X value. Substitute here. So, y of pi by 2 means wherever x is there, substitute pi by 2. So, 2 minus sin pi by 2 by 2 plus sin pi by 2. So, this is equal to 2 minus sin pi by 2 value is 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 3. So, therefore, option A is the right answer. So, it is a direct problem. These type of problems are also asking in the JEE mains examinations. Okay. So, I hope you understand this solution. So, let us move to next problem. So, dear students, welcome to the ninth problem. A value of theta for which 2 plus 3i sin theta by 1 minus 2 iota sin theta is purely imaginary. So, this is a problem from complex number. So, z, call it as z 2 plus 3 iota sin theta by 1 minus 2 iota sin theta. So, this is saying purely imaginary. Purely imaginary part what? Real part of z is equal to 0. So, first of all, you convert this is in the form of general form a plus b iota. A plus b iota. So, for this everybody knows that z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota sin theta by 1 minus 2i sin theta. So, to make it this, multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus 2 iota sin theta by 1 plus 2 iota sin theta. Okay. Now, multiply 2 1s are 2 plus 2 2s are 4 iota sin theta plus 3 iota sin theta minus 3 2s are 6 iota into iota square, that value is 6 minus 1 6 sin square theta under divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus 4 iota square means minus 1, this is plus sin square theta. Okay, now, so if you in the numerator you separate the real parts and imaginary parts separately. So, first one, last one. So, this is equal to 2 minus 6 sin square theta upon 1 plus 4 sin square theta plus 4 iota sin theta plus 3 iota sin theta. So, on the whole, this is a 4i plus 3i, 7i sin theta by 1 plus 4 sin square theta. So, this is a real part and it is a imaginary part. Already he is saying that it is a purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means what? Only this should lie, this should not be, the real part should be equal to 0. What is the real part here? So, real part of z is equal to 2 minus 6 sin square theta upon 1 plus 4 sin square theta, value should be equal to 0. Okay. So, definitely the denominator cannot be equal to 0. Only thing is a numerator should be equal to 0. So, this is a 2 minus 6 sin square theta is equal to 0. So, from this sin square theta is equal to 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Theta is equal to sin inverse of plus or minus 1 by root 3. Clearly, option D is the right answer. So, if you observe option D, sin inverse of 1 by root 3 is there. So, we got sin inverse of plus or minus 1 by root 3. So, one of the value he is saying a value of theta. A value of theta is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 1 half. So, such type of easy problems are also you are getting for your mains examination. Okay. So, let us go for last problem. Dear students, welcome to the last problem of this session. The problem is, if one of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0 is a chord to the circle with the center 2 comma 1, then the radius of the circle is. On the whole, there is a circle here, there is a circle. What is the equation of this circle? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. What is the center of this circle? It is minus g comma minus f, that is a 1 comma 3. What is the radius of the circle? Root of g square plus f square minus g. This is equal to 1 plus 9 10, 10 minus 6 4, this is a 2. So, now on the whole, the center of this circle is 1 comma 3 and the radius of this circle is 2. Radius of this circle is 2. Okay. Now there is another circle whose center is 2 comma 1. Its one of the chord is nothing but this diameter. That means there is another circle. This is another circle. This is another circle. Its center is equal to 2 comma 1. Its center is 2 comma 1. He is asking to find out the radius. Very easy, very easy. He is asked to find out the radius. So, if you join these two also, it is a right angle triangle. Obviously, why? Because the line joining the centers, is perpendicular to the diameter. There is a property is there, right? So, there is a diameter. So, this is the center, this is the center. So, what is the distance between these? We call it as d. What is the distance? That d is given by under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that is a 2 minus 1 whole square, 1 y2 minus y1 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square minus 2 whole square 4, that is equal to root 5, under root 5. Therefore, in this right angle triangle, so therefore we have by Pythagoras theorem r square is equal to 2 square plus d value is how much? Root 5 whole square. This is r square is equal to 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. R is equal to how much? 3. Very, very easy problem, 3. This model, this type of model, you got in 2015 also. 2 times it is given, this model. The only thing is they changed the equation of the circle and the point, the center of the second circle. They changed only these two equations. The model is same. That's why. So, always you prepare previous year papers are also. Okay. I hope that you understand these solutions and also all the solutions of today's class. Okay. So, all of you write the examination and tomorrow's examination, and I will come with the solutions of that tomorrow's examination. Okay. So, all the best for your tomorrow's examination.